Introduction to Operations with Fractions. In this math tutorial, you will learn 1. How to add or subtract two fractions with the same denominator. 2. How to add or subtract two fractions with different denominators. 3. How to multiply two fractions. 4. How to multiply mixed numbers with fractions or whole numbers. 5. How to divide fractions or mixed numbers. 6. How to raise a fraction in a given power. 7. How to use the Bedmers rule in fractions. 8. What are some applications of fractions in daily life? Introduction. Can you add half an apple and 1/4 of an apple? What is the result? Can you do the same operation using half an apple and 1/4 of an orange? Why? What do you obtain when you remove 1/4 of a watermelon from the whole watermelon? Can you multiply two halves of the same whole? Can you guess the result of this operation? What about if you divide these halves? Recall what happens when you divide two equal amounts. Can you multiply three halves of the same whole? How do you write this operation in a shorter way? What is the inverse operation of addition? What about the inverse operation of multiplication? How can we write a whole number as a fraction? Give examples. In this tutorial, we will explain the operations with fractions, a very important topic where all of these questions will be answered. That is all for Introduction to Operations with Fractions. To start this tutorial, please watch the first lesson 3.4.1, Addition of Fractions. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.